Hello all, welcome to PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see how to create your own animated character. Before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe and don't forget to hit on the bell icon so that you never miss an update from us. Let's get started. The tool that we are going to use is this Adobe Express. So here, by using this link, so I'll be mentioning the link in the description, and once we go here we can just create our animated images or whatever it can be, animations with our own audio. So let's say that once you can just see we are landing onto this. Once you just click on the link that is in the description, here you need to choose what kind of character you want. So let me just choose one among this. Let's say you can just go to the category and choose which category of characters you want, be it a human, creatures or emojis and all. Let's say that we just choose some animals, and I'll just choose this charger, and then we can even change its background color. So go to the background, and here we can upload our own background color, or we can just use the backgrounds that are available on this. So I can just choose one among this, let's say this, and you can choose the size. You can just choose like for what is this output for, like is it for Instagram or YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest and Snapchat, TikTok and all. Let's say that I'm doing it for my Instagram, and I can just make it as story or reels. And once I'm done with this, now I can just choose the audio file from the, so this should be your own audio, like your own voice or the audio that you want your animated character to speak about. So you can just choose the audio from your local PC, and or else you can even directly record it by clicking on this record option. And I have recorded up 2 to 3 seconds audio with this, so that I can just show you how this works. So this is now computing the lip sync with my audio that I have given it through recording or through the audio file. Now we are done with this, we can just play it and see. So this is doing us this lip sync and all, and once I'm done with this, I can go back to editing and I can edit it, or I can download it if I feel that this is good. So you can click on the download. So you need to sign up or sign into your Adobe account, and you just need to download this, and that is it. You will be ready with your animated character with your own voice. I hope you all found this video useful to you, and don't forget to like, share and do subscribe to PC Tips Pro, and don't forget to hit on the bell icon so that you never miss an update from us. And thank you for watching, guys.